Hi, I'm Gordon Hill. If you want to become a better speaker, take a tip from Stephe King's book on writing, a memoir of the craft. It's actually a twofer. The first half is a memoir of Stephen's writing career, but the second half is the gold. It's a tutorial on how to become a better writer, which when applied to speaking is perfect. Substitute for speaking for writing, and you've got the way to keep becoming a better speaker. Stephen's tip for becoming a better writer is to write some every day, read some every day, and have a first reader. Apply that to speaking, which means you would speak some every day, listen to speakers some every day, and have a first listener, someone you can bounce your material off to see what they think. One of the problems many have with speaking is they think they have to create a speech from beginning to end. That's not the way the pros do it. Professional speakers develop their material in little pieces. A friend of mine who is a stand-up comedian tries to develop 1 minute of funny material every day, something new. A speaker can develop their material in little pieces and then present it as a more complete piece, like a speech. One of the great ways to do this is to join a Toastmasters Club. The ones I've known are like speaking labs. They meet every week or so often, and during the meeting, everyone has a chance to speak. Once you've been in the club for a while, you're with friends and family. So any anxiety you have about speaking begins to dissolve. So that's my point. This is a playlist. What you will find in this playlist are 5 to 7 minute speeches I've given at Toastmasters clubs, mainly the Los Chismosos Club in Las Cruces, New Mexico, of which I've been a member a long time, even though I now live 1,000 miles away because they meet every week on Zoom. If you want to become a better speaker, I encourage you to consider joining a Toastmasters club, because the good ones are like labs for becoming better speakers. You'll get a chance to speak every week, either prepared or impromptu, which will give you experience, increase your confidence, and your skill will follow. I'm Gordon Hill, wishing you all the best in your quest to become a better speaker.